5:41 a.m. There's Cheryl, getting ready to give birth to the destiny. And this is number one grandma. Only on there.
Number one grandma, only.
Okay, that's for Austin, so you can see that too. Anything special to say to Destiny right at the moment?
Hurry up and get here.
Tired of waiting, huh?
Yeah.
There she is, there's your mom again. Okay, and bye-bye. Hey.
This is one.
Here we are at 7:18 in a.m. After about 6 pokes in the arm, IV's finally started. And Cheryl is out of it. Are you okay? Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
I'm number one grandma, Destiny.
You know the whole family's gonna see this raccoon.
Are they going to see the whole thing? Cool, lift up your thing. Ladies and gentlemen, I was just joking. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to show you what a catheter looks like. There's Destiny right there, getting ready to come out. Come out. All right, she's going to look at this and go,
Kisses.
Just say hi to everybody.
Say
I
hi.
wish Pat could put my IV in.
you tell her that right on the video, right? There you go. Wish you were here. I know. Okay, well, we're going to sign off and we'll talk. There's Destiny.
Really? 7 pounds. That's her dad's size.
How long is she?
19 and a half.
19 and a half inches long?
I'll make you a card.
Okay. Yeah, because you know everybody's going to be asking me about 100 times today. He's so cute.
Oh, let's make you mad. My goodness. What's that mean?
Thanks, girl. Thanks, love.
About it. It's like, I did not like this.
Not a happy camper. Well, you know what it's like to be woke up.
Don't like your bath till they can put in water. Kids will put in.
Well, at least you don't have to worry about her lungs.
That's true.
Oh, you can hear those things right when she came out. I was like, ah.
Exercising us nicely.
Yeah, no kidding. How pink can you get the baby, huh? God, where'd you get all over here?
You are just so pink. So nice.
I like it now.
Don't mind this so much. Why don't you wrap them up? Wash that pretty hair. Daddy wants to see what your hair looks like all clean.
Let's see how pretty your hair is. Don't say I didn't come out with no hair. You know, you see those baby pictures?
Gonna be very pretty.
She's gonna be pretty, huh?
Doesn't want to yuck.
I don't mind the hair wash too bad. Not near as
Probably
traumatic as their
relaxing for
body.
him. I would think so. The water running down your head makes me know it.
I think that's why everybody likes to go to the beauty shop.
Yeah. Feels good when it's got in your hair. Is it a set temperature? I mean, or do you have to?
No, I adjust it with the pedals on the floor, yeah. Oh, but look how pretty they are now. My goodness, it's very bad.
You're hungry. I just think she's about adorable.
Oh. She didn't like it.
Get it off.
Get it off my head. There.
Hey, you. Hey, you little cute one.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, come go see mommy now.
I'm gonna warm her
In a
back
little
up,
bit,
and
after
yeah,
you
as
warmed
soon as
up
she
for a
warms
while.
back up,
Okay,
take her
honey.
out to mommy.
Okay.
Just
You can't lie to me. You can't sit here and lie to me.
Was
I
Joe
live
lying
this one
again?
right there. You
I
can
would
tell,
never tell Cheryl a secret, that's for
you
sure.
can tell, you lie to your friends and I'll lie to my friends. But
Hey,
let's
Joe.
not lie to each other.
Hey, Joe, this tape is just for us, okay?
Yeah, right.
You ready? What are you gonna do? You just won the lottery. I go to Disneyland. Here's Mama.
I found out the news last week, that was real shaky.
News about the baby. Yeah, I got that really short. That's the last thing he's doing right now, but did you?
Okay, well, hello. 10:04. We got the little one with her eyes wide open. We're gonna zoom in on her. Destiny. Aww. What are you doing? Aww, so cute. Are you thirsty? You want to? Hi, baby. Waving at you. Hey. Hello. And there's mommy again.
Hello.
How are you? Any precious thoughts?
Yes, it's wonderful to be a mommy again.
Oh, I love you, honey.
I love you.
Yep. She's gonna look at this and go, God, my parents are so corny.
No. Austin's gonna look at it and go, what is that?
What's up?
I gotta go see Greg Brother at the garden. Yeah. I put you in that wagon and we rolling around everywhere. Yeah. Trying to get you to play b-ball. mighty went poo-poo. Oh my gosh. Okay. Come here. Did you go poo-poo or did you just, can you just slip? I don't want to slide her head on my tags. Could you just slip her up? Just take her head. Oh, she just went poop. God, she's got so much hair.
Got it? I'm gonna put it in the thing.
Yeah, go ahead. I guess. I don't know what to do. Careful. You okay? Yeah, she just needs to be precise. There. She's feisty. Put your hat on. Look at where she's at. She must be evil again if she went poop. Don't worry about it. She's one. They're like that. Oh, well, we did her. We laid there. Are you still videoing?
Baby, Aunt Dita said you was the prettiest little girl she ever did see, and I think I agree with her. Look at these little chubby cheeks.
She's like, I was like, what's Don about this?
I don't know. Did I make you angry?
What is he gonna be, a Nana and Papa's boy now? Is that what it is?
Don't run your sucker, son.
Oh, or you just wanna hang out there now?
I said, son, he goes, okay, it's okay.
Grandma woke her up. She don't like that.
So excuse me, Chris.
Oh, God. I just had to see you for a minute.
Once again? There
Hey,
you go.
hey, Park.
Say hi. Turn the light on. Oh, do we have a light in?
Yeah, the middle switch.
Yeah, actually it's the
Yeah, it's a little bright.
And the other one. There.
What's up? There we go, a little better.
Say
Hi.
hi.
Hi,
Say
Austin.
hi. Say, this is my baby sister, Destiny.
Give sister kisses.
Give Sissy
Give sister
on her
kisses.
hair. Give her kisses on her hair.
Oh, good boy.
Sweet baby.
Can you say I love Destiny?
Love you, Destiny. Love you, baby sister.
Okay, let's look at this baby. Okay, she's eating. Well, we won't do that. I'm just gonna look at this.
Yeah, baby.
I forgot.
I didn't even
Can you
think
say
about
hi,
that
Austin?
either.
Baby.
Can you say hi?
Baby.
Say Destiny, sissy, baby sister.
Pissy.
Can you say baby sister?
Pissy.
Daddy's taking a
Picture.
of you with your baby sister.
What are you gonna say to Destiny when she gets old enough to see this? What would you like to say?
I'm sharing my balloons with her.
Hmm?
Shh, 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 shh. Easy.
Good boy.
It's okay,
Yeah.
cute boy. Don't you tell her shh, shh, shh. It's okay. Say big brother's here. You're the big brother. You know that?
Austin.
Good boy.
Austin. Austin.
What are you doing?
Hey, lover boy.
Whoa, no, Austin. What if baby Destiny would have been in there?
No, that's a no.
She's too young to play ball, Bubba.
Okay, well now she knows you're antagonizer.
She can't play ball yet.
Already.
No ball.
She can't play ball yet.
No, we're fine.
Hi. Hi. What are we doing? Are we feeding the baby sister? Austin, where's your sister at? Who's that? Who's over there?
Dad.
Who is that?
No light.
Yeah, light. I can't barely see. Is that who's that?
It off.
Okay, no, we can't turn it off.
Off.
Hey, can you say hi? Austin, take a picture. Hi, honey. How you been?
Tired.
Tired.
Starting
Yeah.
to feel rum-dum.
Ramadum-a-dum-dum, huh?
Probably about like you are.
Oh, shoot. I could run the Boston Marathon right
You
now.
wanna give baby sister a kiss again?
Austin, give your sister kisses. Give kisses. I take picture.
Wrap her
Kiss her.
hair like you were America.
Austin is kissing his sister. Oh.
Sweet baby.
Hey, Austin, how old are you?
Tea.
2, huh?
Tell Daddy how old you are.
Austin, look. Austin, how old are you? Austin.
Get playing with Daddy.
He's playing with the radio. Where's Grandma? There she is. She get on over there, Grandma.
Easy, never be careful.
Destiny and Austin, this is your grandma too.
Austin, go night. He's trying to figure out where that sound's coming from.
No, he knows where it's coming from.
He knows it's coming from.
Oh yeah, he's already put up there when it's on. Hey, easy.
Watch your foot.
You almost kicked baby sister.
Oh, careful,
Hey,
Bubba.
be careful.
Austin, smile on the camera. Can you say hi, Daddy?
How old are you?
Austin, how old are you?
That.
He doesn't want to talk.
That's right. He hasn't seen it.
Yeah, but he's seen them in all the hotels we stay at. You love him. That's what's the story in the hotel.
That was a story, yeah. That actually, he started that at our in Lake Havasu. Yeah,
Is that right?
yeah, in our little condo we staying in at the London Bridge Resort. Huh?
Back in the day.
Back in the day. Oh, Grandma, you gotta say stuff into the camera, hon.
I do.
Oh yeah. Gotta tell her also she'll see sweet things all the time. She'll know who you are all the time. Huh?
They say about Austin.
Oh, he's honored as ever.
His chest turned out fine. He's fine.
Turned out good.
His liver's fine.
Yep. They said normally the first sign you would, we'll talk about this later. No, we'll talk about this. Hey, how old are you, Austin?
Video.
How old are you? 2? How many fingers old are you?
Show Daddy. Go in the camera and show him.
Hey, Austin. Oh, she stole a kiss is what she did. Huh?
Kiss,
She
huh?
stole that kiss.
Give Grandma a kiss.
Austin, give the camera a kiss.
Give Grandma.
Give Grandma a kiss. Give a kiss.
No kisses.
That was Austin giving kisses to the camera. Okay, well, everybody wave bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Austin. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No more
Hers,
filming. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you a little bit.
Did it show a thing
There
down
it
there?
is. Now it's on.
Okay, I see.
Can you see everybody in
Okay, now I can. Yeah. Okay, get in there.
What time did you bring the baby back here? I start easy on the feet, okay?
About 2:25.
This when you brought her back in here?
Mm-hmm. Hi,
Hello.
Larry. There's Daddy and Mama and Austin.
Hanging out.
Austin, say hi to Grandma. Austin, say hi to Grandma. Wave at Grandma.
Say hi.
Austin, say hi to Grandma.
Want to take your shoes off?
Austin,
Let's take your shoes off, okay?
Got some relaxing music in here. Who's this?
It's the CD I told you, remember when I told you
are you
that?
still feeding, Cheryl?
No, she's sleeping.
Is she in the bed?
No, she's right here.
Well, raise her up.
Give it to Daddy.
Give her to Daddy for you.
Yeah, we need
I
to
haven't
see
held her in a
Daddy.
Mommy, I spoke.
It's not. Turn the little dial on the side. Let me show 'em how to use it.
Pink.
Say hi, it's my sister. This is Destiny and Fool. She is 3 days old.
broke.
Cute little baby.
3 days old.
Let's see, who she look at?
Oh, how sweet. Oh, how sweet.
Okay, we're gonna put her name.
Comfy.
Hello.
Need help. I'm getting down. Austin, no, I'm getting down. Okay, get up. Come on, you can get up. I don't forget.
Hi.
Say hi to Daddy. Say hi to Daddy.
Easy.
Say hi to Daddy.
Easy,
Turn
Austin.
around and look at Daddy.
Austin,
Look at Daddy.
say hi.
Hi. Hi, Daddy. Oh,
He's gotta get rid of those lips.
Easy, okay.
she's almost away.
Lips.
Say hi, Daddy. Oh. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Austin. Austin. I'm gonna make you fall.
Alright, will
Yeah.
you go get my camera and counter in a minute and
Take a
take a
picture.
picture of
Yeah, I'll get it done. I'm a film guy. Hey. Hey, nobody giving you attention, little guy? Hmm? Can you say hi, Daddy? Oh, don't touch that no more.
smile, Grandma. Oh, come on, smile. 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 Smile for Papa. Smile. Oh, come on, smile. Come on, smile. Come on, good baby. Smile. Oh, okay, don't give us that look. Hold on.
Look at your sister. Look at baby sister and tell her. Austin, look at Sissy and go. He is. Austin. 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 Look at Destiny. Look at Destiny and go. Sissy. Tell sister.
That's a good picture.
Baby sister, give her a kiss. Give your baby a kiss.
Give baby a
Your
kiss.
baby sister a kiss. Give your baby sister a kiss. Oh, good boy.
Now tell her, go like this. Tell her, Sissy. Good boy. Grandma got it. We got pictures of you and your sissy.
Hi.
First time you get
Hi.
pictures.
Hello,
Hello.
babies. Hello,
You're a
babies.
good boy. You're a good boy. You're a big, good, big
Look how
brother.
proud he is. He's so proud to sit
He
there with her.
is, boy. He's a good boy.
Is that your
Is that
sissy?
your baby sister?
Hi.
Yeah.
Austin's got a baby sister and he's happy about it, huh? He's excited.
You say hi? Waving the camera,
We
Austin.
have a couple of models here or what? Look at them. How about a little of this? A little of that. Say, shh, baby sister. Shh, baby sister, smile. Austin, smile. Oh, good boy. Shh, you don't have to smile.
Smile at
Austin,
mommy.
smile.
Too
He's
funny.
copying her.
You're too funny. Is she got the hiccup?
That's funny.
Let me take her now so you can get up. All right, Austin. Oh!
See the recording there?
Uh-huh.
That's a zoom in.
Hi, Austin. You gotta push it all at the same time?
You're done with it. Push the red button again down
Baby
there.
sister,
Where you
huh?
push to get it on.
I don't have to focus it?
Yeah, just it'll autofocus.
Good boy.
There's Daddy. There's Daddy. Take your head off.
Huh? Why, so it's all my hair's all messed up?
You can see how pretty you are.
Yeah, pretty.
Aww.
Yeah, I broke a phone.
Austin, you want to hold baby sister all day?
He got mad because he wanted to hold
I
her. What's wrong
know.
with you people? This
You
is
want
a
to hold
first,
baby
man.
sister all day?
Yeah, be careful.
I finally
Yeah.
got to hold her, and there all you guys are
Where's her
trying
hair?
to take her.
My hair.
Where's her hair? Is that her hair?
Can
Where's her nose at?
nose.
Yay, you're so smart, Austin.
There we go.
You're so smart.
Baby sister. Tell the TV camera, say baby sister. Tell mommy, baby sister.
Baby she.
Say baby sister Destiny.
She. No, she.
Huh? That's a she.
Cheese.
Say,
cheese.
Austin, tell her. Destiny Ann. Destiny Ann.
How old are you, Austin?
How old are you, Austin?
I should baby sister.
How old are you, Austin?
How old are you?
How old are you, Austin?
How old are you?
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Austin, how old are you?
Say, don't want to talk about my age. Tell mom, baby sister Destiny Ann.
And there's Grandma
Tell
who
the
came
baby.
to rescue us.
Yeah. Came to rescue.
Oh,
We came to rescue you all. Yes, we did. Huh, boo
You
boo?
ready to get down?
Say Destiny
now this thing
Ann.
is heavy, huh?
Want a chip?
Want a chip?
Want some chips?
Put the baby in.
Want some
We'll get
candy?
you some chips.
Grandma
Ready?
Sissy.
Okay,
Yeah,
Sissy
Austin.
can't have chips. Sissy can't have chips.
There's brother Austin and sister Destiny. A hungry baby sister. Cheesy. Okay. Oh, boo. Peekaboo.